Welcome to episode 1 of the $5 to $1,000 challenge. And yes, you heard that correctly. In this challenge, we're gonna be flipping $5 to $1,000, but we're not just reselling sneakers. In fact, sneakers is gonna be a small part of this challenge. Instead, we're gonna be flipping all kinds of items, literally anything that has value online. And of course, I'm gonna be showing you step by step the entire way. Now, with the steady decline of sneaker reselling, I knew I had to figure something out quick. And even while I was sneaker reselling, even while I was focused 100% on content creation, I would resell little stuff here and there. But now more than ever, it's time to double down. But I know you're wondering, how are we supposed to do that with $5? Now, I have a video about that right here. I will link it in the description. But the first way I was able to get my hand on some merchandise for under $5 that would sell for more by utilizing the glitch provided by the info in my cook group that was able to get me Apple AirTags for $4 a pop. Since retail on them was $29 and I got them for $4, then my very next move was to put them on eBay. And then boom, within a couple of days, it sold for 30 bucks. I listed it for $31 with free shipping. So that left me with about right around 20 bucks profit on my first sale, which isn't bad. The challenge is off and running. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna show you a product I got. I'm gonna show you why I picked it, and I'm gonna take you through me putting it on eBay all before the end of this video. So that really left me with $16 profit. And so my original 4 plus the 16 I just made now gave me 20 bucks. And I just went back to the well, used the Instacart method, and ordered 3 more AirTags. Now by this time, I ain't gonna lie to you, it was funny because the address I'm using, the people there are starting to like notice, like, dang bro, you getting a lot of these. So now, boom, the next 3 that I get, I sell one for 20 bucks. I sell another one for 20 bucks right then and there. And then a third one, I'm able to sell on eBay, 30 bucks. And when you take out the fees, and then I think I spent $4 on this shipping label. I only really profited 13 bucks on there. But now what I have to work with as far as purchasing power is getting bigger. So, hey, I've never done this before. Here, I'm gonna show y'all something. The next thing I ordered was all these paper towels, and there's actually more in the garage, right? Just for those who think y'all need a fancy studio, you don't. You could do it right in your living room. But anyway, I purchased those because let me update you just in case you haven't watched the Instacart codes video yet. These codes discount $20, $30, $40, sometimes $50 on items. It's like their referral program or whatnot. So with the purchasing power I had, you know, in the stores, each of those is about 30 bucks. I'm able to get all of those for about $4 each. And the way we got money for those is we bundled them up and threw them on Facebook Marketplace raffle groups. Now, a lot of the times household stuff works, so I picked up some of these. Those retail $20 each, but I paid, I believe, $6 for that. But the way these groups work, they play off of like the real Powerball. There's 1 through 26. You buy a number or you do a donation for a number, and if that number is drawn, then you win the items, right? So for 2 of those bundles of toilet tissue or paper towels, especially if you bundle it with something like dish soap, like I was able to bundle it. I was able to get these bundle of dish soap. I don't remember what these retail, but I know they're really popular. When you bundle those with the tissue or the napkins, you can charge almost $4 for those numbers, to where you can get about $100 for those, right? And so boom, we ran our first raffle and it was successful. This is a Google Chromecast, but the new one, I was tempted to keep this for myself. I was able to get this for I think around $5 and it retails for around 30. So we're about to go ahead and throw this on eBay. So let's jump on the computer. All right, so this is how I'm gonna list this product, right? And this is a ritual of mine. It always works for me as far as getting the product sold. I don't know why, right? But here we are again. We got the Google Chromecast with Google TV and it has the remote, right? So I'm gonna go search that up on Google. So I'm gonna go down here and filter by sold. And first I see these selling for a good clip. I don't know why I thought these, maybe they retail for 30. I know if I list it for about 29, offer free shipping, I mean, I only paid $4 for it. So I'm gonna pick this one. And once again, you can see by this history that this is selling. If you got it good priced, it'll sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it right here. And this person sold 15 within the last 24 hours. So this lets you know this thing is flying, and this lets me know I need to place another order. And I'm gonna also do that in this video as well. So I'm gonna come over here and say, boom, I have one to sell. I'm not gonna change anything. Maybe I'll add fast shipping, brand new in the box, sealed plastic. I'm gonna list it at the same price they have it at, 27. No, I'll take one, and the minimum offer is, let me go 28. The minimum offer is 27. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go, we'll go 12. No, it's not 12. It's maybe 6 ounces. 7. Let's go 7. And then we'll go 12, free shipping, and then boom. So then we're gonna list it, and now the listing is live, right? But that's not it, for me at least, because I'm gonna utilize a service in my cook group that allows me get views to my eBay post, and that simply just helps you rank higher and get in front of more people. Let me go ahead and revise this. I forgot to put my images in because I feel like the real photos help. It's gonna take a while for my views to show up, but in the meantime, I'm gonna show y'all step by step how I'm about to place my next order and how I'm indeed gonna get it for $4, right? So I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna use one of my browsers, put on a proxy. I'm gonna go to Instacart, and I'm gonna zoom through some of my personal information for 2 reasons. Because I don't want it stolen through the video, and I don't want Instacart to know exactly who I am. So I'm gonna go to sign up, but I'm gonna show you just so y'all see in full transparency. Create an account. We're gonna do YouTube at ricocopeland.com, and we're gonna make a password, and then boom, a robot asking you if you're a robot. Crazy. And so I'm gonna do the try free for 2 weeks, start shopping, and then I'm gonna go to Best Buy, to this in my cart, go to checkout, add a delivery address, which, you know what, I guess I could put any address for now. This window, any phone number, payment method, this one is really gonna be blanked out. And then boom, here's where it gets fun, right? There's certain promo codes you can use. So I'm gonna put one in here for 30 bucks. And then boom, you see here, it's actually down to $2, right? $2. So you just hit continue, and then you choose whatever tip you want to give. So in the next episode, can't show y'all the whole thing because my information's on it, but kind of see it halfway. You see what's going on right here. I'm about to get 2 $100 outer boxes. Like, I don't know what bro think it is, but he right here trying to offer me, what's that, $18? He trying to offer $18 for it. But I don't think that's something we're gonna do. We're gonna hold out, and we're gonna wait and see if we can get at least 25 for this, bro. I mean, I understand it would be all profit or mostly profit because I got it for the low. However, bro, you can't just give your inventory away like that. Like I said, whenever you upload stuff like that, it comes quick, like as far as the sales. For only $10 using these same loops. In the next episode, we're gonna get in some of these stores and try to find some of these flips, man. The crazy part is, it's not even just me. Other people are hitting off this stuff. See y'all in episode 2. Rico Gang, we out. Let's get it.